there seems to be a Millennial and Gen Z really revival or interest in the AMEX card. Why is that the case?
Yeah, so look, just to talk about that revival, when you look at the percent of cards that millennials are acquiring from us, it's over 58%. Most of our platinum cards, I think over 70% of our platinum and gold cards, 75% were acquired by millennials. And what's leading the spending charge for us, our millennial segment, which is about 27% of our overall bill business, was up 38% Q3 21 over Q3 19. So why? The reality is that we've expanded our value propositions. Our value propositions speak to millennials because millennials are looking for experiences, they're looking for access, they're looking to live their lives. And the pandemic, while slowed them down maybe last year, they were the first ones that came out. And so when you look at the overall value propositions that we have put together here, we've doubled down on travel, but we've also expanded into other categories, whether that be, with from a platinum perspective, our Walmart Plus membership. We look at other credits in terms of streaming and wireless. And I think that, millennials just want to be on the go. And when you look at our fine hotels and resorts benefits, those benefits allow millennials and anybody else that has the platinum card to check in early, check out late, get free breakfast, credits, and so forth. And so the platinum card is speaking to an active lifestyle.
I'm sure I'm going to get pushback on Twitter for this one, Steve, but you raised the prices for the cards. $695 now is that annual fee. I mean, do you think, just based on the momentum you are seeing with millennials, Gen Z, that the card is undervalued at that price and you might be able to push a higher price through?
Yeah, well, look, we just announced that in July, so I don't think we'll be looking at any fee increases, anytime soon. But we price for value, and when we put more value into this product, and we price for it, we wanted to make sure we put more value in than we price for it, and we expanded the value. As I said, we doubled down on on our travel benefits. And, there's a bunch of soft benefits in there as well, which is hard to quantify. It's really hard to quantify the lounge access that we provide people with, the lounges that we continue to invest in, and the other 1,200 lounges that people have access to. It's hard to quantify, some of the other benefits that we have in terms of access and special dining offers through Resi, and also, again, that fine hotels and resorts benefit. So we feel it's fairly priced. We feel it's a very good value, and people are voting with their wallets here as we're seeing acquisition levels. Look, we had our acquisition levels pre-raising the fee and enhancing the value. We were up 20% over the prior 19 levels. We're now up over 60% on platinum acquisition with the new enhanced product.
Do I have this number right, Steve, that you are going to spend $5 billion in marketing this year?
That is correct. And the way we spend that money, that's a combination of not only some of the brand advertising that you'd see, which is not a large part of our budget, but we did value injection early on in terms of adding extra value into our products. But we also spend in customer marketing, and we spend in, obviously card acquisition. And I get asked this question all the time is, what do you target your spending at? Well, we don't target our spending at any particular number. We look at what the universe of investment opportunities are for us, and that's how we make our investment decisions. And I think what's really important to understand is when people look at American Express and the investment decisions that we're making, they think we're only making U.S. decisions. We're making decisions across the globe, across our small business products, our corporate card products, our co-branded products, our consumer products, and our merchant business. And so we have a load of investment opportunities that we think are quite attractive. And at the beginning of the year, we didn't think we were going to spend $5 billion, but it's not something that we look at as a regulator. What we look at is, are we going to drive growth, and are we going to drive future value for our shareholders?